Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab error code on touchscreen, HMS error lookup and troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Perform a hard reboot. Turn off the printer using the power switch, then unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Now wait for at least 60 seconds to allow the printer to fully discharge. Then plug the power cable back in and power on the printer. After that, check whether the error code has disappeared. Fix 2. Check the printer based on the error type. Filament or AMS error 07XX/12XX series. Remove any tangled or broken filament and inspect the AMS buffer, filament cutter, and PTFE tubes for blockages. Then reload the filament and tap retry on the touch screen. Nozzle or tool head errors 03XX series. Turn off the printer and allow it to cool. Now remove any melted filament around the hot end and check that the hot end, fan, and wiring are secure. Z-axis homing errors. Clean the build plate and remove any debris and ensure nothing is blocking the bed movement. On A-series printers, inspect the extruder sensor if the error continues. Fix 3. Inspect the touchscreen connections. Power off the printer and carefully remove the touchscreen. Now disconnect and reconnect the ribbon flex cable securely. Then reinstall the screen and restart the printer. On X1 series printer, also check the ribbon cable connected to the AP board as a loose connection can cause display issues. Fix 4. Check the micro SD card. Remove the micro SD card from the printer, then restart the printer without the card installed. If the printer starts normally, insert the card into a computer. Now back up any important files and format the card before using it again. Replace the card if it remains corrupted. Fix 5. Restore factory settings. Open settings on the printer, then go to General, then go to Factory Reset or Restore Factory Settings, depending on the model. Now confirm the reset and allow the printer to restart. Now reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi and sign back into your Bambu Lab account after the reset. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.